Welcome to the Brotherhood of the Briar. I'm the Dapper Codger, Greg Hergott, coming to you from South Carolina. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I'm going to start doing a series of videos on people who are famously known for smoking a tobacco pipe. I'm going to start this first episode with Hugh Hefner, the founder of Playboy magazine, who in 1959 started smoking a tobacco pipe. So I'm not here to talk about what type of person Hugh Hefner was. I'm sure I would get a lot of different opinions. Some of you would think that he's an awful person, and some of you it's your hero. I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about what type of pipe he smoked and what type of tobacco he smoked. Well, if you go on the internet, you'll find that everyone's an expert and everyone's got an opinion, and a lot of it is different from the next thing. But the best I can tell is Hugh Hefner probably had many pipes, but he was known for being spotted with a black Dunhill Billiard. It may not look exactly like this, but this is the closest thing that I would have. Again, he may have smoked many different tobaccos, but what seems to be consistent online is that he smoked Mixture 79 by Sutliff. Now, this won't be available much longer. I'm sure you know what's going on with Sutliff being bought out, but I have not tried this. I'm getting ready to try this out for the first time. Also, it seems to be pretty consistent that he also smoked Sale. Now, this is Sale Regular. Again, you go online, you find out everything. There's Sale, I've heard Sale Regular and Sale Yellow are two separate things, but then I've heard no, they're exactly the same thing. It just comes in a yellow container or a pouch like this one. And so I'm going to try this one as well. Now, I'm not going to smoke these out of my Dunhill because I smoke English blends out of that. And this is an aromatic. And again, it depends on who you read. This is an aromatic and this is a non-aromatic. You know, everything online is different. So I'm going to try them both, though, and give you my honest opinion on what I think of them. I'm going to start off by trying mixture number 79. Now, if you go online, you're going to find some people say this is one of the best tobaccos I've ever smoked, and some of you will tell you it is total trash, not worth trying. So I'm going to see what I think myself and make my own opinion. So I'm opening it up. See what it smells like. Smells good. It's kind of maybe a vanilla, maybe. It's got a nice smell to it. Let's see what is said about it. The description: a rich, old-fashioned burley blend topped with a drop of whiskey, natural vanilla extract, and a kiss of anisette makes Sutliff's Mixture 79 a soft, sweet smoke, nicely rounded and free of bite. This was, by the way, this was released in 1933 by Sutliff Tobacco Company. Well, I'm going to go ahead and pack this into a clay pipe so I can really taste the flavor of it, and I'll let you know what I think. this has, I mean, it has a pleasant tin note, room note. I'll be honest though, I'm used to regularly smoking Virginias and dark-fired Kentuckys. That's what I'm really into, and this is so mild compared to that. I think if you're starting out, this is a good tobacco. If you like aromatics, you might like this. It's not real soupy. It's not overly done, I don't think, with toppings or casings. You can taste, the vanilla and the anisette, maybe a little whiskey. But it's not overpowering by any means with the toppings and casings. But very mild, in my opinion. But that may just be because I smoke a lot of dark-fired Kentuckys and aged Virginias. And I like English blends with Latakia as well and stuff. So I don't smoke as many aromatics. I do enjoy them though. And I enjoy this. It's just, I don't know that I'll ever finish smoking the pouch. So I'll probably try to share it with some friends, see what they like, see if they like it. All right, well now I'm gonna go ahead and give Sail Regular a try. And it says, known for its iconic yellow packaging, Sail Regular is a well-balanced pipe tobacco of Burley and Virginias, enriched by a selection of Oriental and Brazilian tobaccos. Now, this says on the packaging, though, original Dutch Cavendish. Some things online say it's a popular blend of Burley, Virginia, and Black Cavendish. Some things online say it's non-aromatic, and some things online say it's flavored with vanilla and a secret sweet topping. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And on the packaging itself, it says Sail Regular is a well-balanced blend. Burley and Virginia tobaccos in a perfect harmony are the basis, enriched by a selection of Oriental and Brazilian tobaccos. Original Dutch Cavendish. So there you have it. Let's see what it smells like. Now, right off the bat, it just kind of smells like sweet Virginia a little bit. I don't smell any topping right off the bat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try, see what I think. I'm also gonna go ahead and try this in another clay pipe. So here we go. So I do like Sale a little bit better than mixture number 79. It does, I can't remember if it said something about vanilla, but I do kind of taste a little vanilla, very mildly. It's a decent tobacco. Again, it's pretty mild, but I'm enjoying it. I'm gonna keep smoking on this, but I like it. It's not gonna be an everyday for me, for sure. So overall, I do like both of these tobaccos that Hugh Hefner smoked. I would have to choose Sale over mixture number 79, but I mean, they're both good. I'm to the place where I like a little bit more full-bodied. You know, I'm really into dark-fired Kentucky right now, and I've always loved Virginias. So for someone like me, these seem very mild, but they're good. I don't dislike either one of them. If I had to pick one, I would pick Sale. But anyway, I appreciate you joining me today on the Brotherhood of the Briar. Until next time.